Morning students. So now in this video we will revise question answer chapter 4th from your supplementary reader book. The chapter name is The Old Clock Shop. As I had told you yesterday about the chapter. Okay. So question number first. What made Ray think the visitor was not really a shopper? So Mr. Ray was enough matured. He was an old man and his old eyes told him that two men, one of them was in his 20s and one of them closer to his 50. Actually, their appearance, their look was not satisfying. Okay, there was no sign of friendliness in their eyes. So that is why the Mr. Ray told that the visitor was not really a shopper. Ray was not a pawnbroker. Pawnbroker means a person who lend money. Okay. Why then did he lend money to people in exchange for their old watches and clocks? So it is clearly given in the chapter that why he did this, because he knew that they were in need of money. That is why they came there to rob him, whether they are thief or whatever. So they came there for robbing him. Uh, so they were in need of money. Okay, so that is why he lent money to save himself. The watch was nothing special and yet had great powers. In what sense did it have great powers? Because it was something that could be exchanged for money and a way to lead people out of a bad situation. So, in the chapter, that particular time was of Christmas Eve. So, the particular watch saved the old man from the two men. So, that is why, in other sense, the particular watch having great powers. Do you think the man would ever come back to pick up the watch? Although Ray had paid the man for more than what the watch was actually worth, the watch was not as much as worth as he paid for that. So, uh, he promised the particular old man Ray, that he would become definitely. When did the unfriendly face of the visitor turn truly friendly? So the unfriendly face of the visitor turned truly friendly when he got the money for his watch was not worth $50. Okay, that particular watch not as much as Birdi, and he got extra money for this. So that is why his unfriendly face turned to be truly friendly. So students, learn them, revise them daily. Okay, till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.